Very special omakase with made from Hokkaido.
10,000 yen. Yes, the sushi that we got here would cost roughly about 10 times what it is. 5 to 10 times.
베트남 뭐 연주해야 돼.
내가? 아?
온도.
연주.
연주.
오. 필리핀 데서 연주나 나왔다.
신나요. 이도.
Hello, Sis Life Reality. Thank you so much for coming. Anong oras na dyan sa inyo? Good morning. Anong oras ngayon dyan? Mega love shout out din sa'yo. 8:30. Anong araw? Bali Friday ngayon dyan? Or kasi late ba ng advance ba kayo ng almost one day? Or Saturday AM? 12, bali almost 12 hours ang difference. Almost one. Tama. 8:30 kasi dito is 10:30 ng gabi. Maghihintay-hintay pa tayo na may papasok. Kagabi nag-LS ako, silent LS, iniwanan ko tong computer ko. Aba, sis, Jessie, kumusta na? Sis, live ka pala, happy Saturday. Thank you, Jessie. Tagal mo welcome back to IT. Kumusta na? Yan, Meli Paglingay, sis Meli, thank you. Yan. Thank you sa pagpunta dito. Thank you sa 4 million na nandyan. Ask Mensa, hi host and everyone watching. Sino to? Thank you for coming at Ask Mensa. Teka, tignan natin kung pwede kang bigyan ng jacket. Hindi pala pwede dito yung go to channel. Kasi hindi pa siya naka-jacket. Pati hindi ako makapunta sa kanya. Paki-check nga ninyo, guys. Ba't ka nag-live sis? Wala. Babalik loob kay YT. Pag di ka naman nag-live, bababa yung yung aking WH. Salamat sa tala, host. You're welcome. Ask Mensa. Ask Mensa, are you from what country? Can you speak English? Dan watch at Melly. Ayan. Yan, si Melly, dan na raw sa si Life Reality. Balikan ka niyan siguro na lang, kasi katatapos lang ng LS, tsaka kain mo na daw yan. Pero for sure, babalikan ka niyan. Diyan ako palagi nakatambay noon bago ko kayo na-discover. I'm from Kenya, Africa. Yes, I speak English host. Yes, I don't speak English. Very well. Is that your main account? Ask Menza? Hindi ko siya mapuntahan. Teka nga. That's true, Ask Menza. I can speak English, but not so good. A little. But at least I can understand you. Dan dikit na at Jess, yan. Ay, ti Jessie, dinikitan ka ni At Oh, Ask Menza, you have 1K subscriber already. I'll give you a blue jacket. You can go to their channel, subscribe them. Just follow and click the bell button. Dikit na pala ako sa'yo at may paglingayin at Life Reality Vlog. Ayan. Dikit-dikit na din. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, marami na rin dito yung, kumbaga, yung sa dami ng nadidikitan, hindi mo na ma-recall talaga lahat, di ba? Yung iba. Hindi ako masyadong active sa YT at Melly. Ayo, guys, sabagay, okay din naman yung, Jessie, kung halimbawa, magbalik loob ka, di andyan yung mga tropa ko, dikit mo na. Ako, tignan mo, yung mga dati ko pang kadikit dito, aside from Team Jammers, kasi dati Team Jammers kami. Ngayon, nagkawatak-watak kasi nga yung iba pumunta sa FB, ako naman nanahimik. Pero andyan, pagka minsan nakikita ko sila, pakonti-konti, nagkakaipon-ipon na rin kami. Sige, later sad kita. Mali mo, maisipan mo uli dito. Pag nagsawa ka sa FB, balik ka uli dito. Parang ako, napagod sa FB, balik dito. O pag napagod ako dito, balik uli ng FB. Hindi lang ako nag-a-active sa TikTok at saka sa Instagram. Kasi parang feel ko parang pang teenager lang yun eh. Ask Menza, you can drop your if you have any upcoming event, you can drop your link. Ay baba ka. Sis Life, kung meron kang upcoming diyan, baba ka ng please pakibaba yung wala akong assistant dito. Yes, I'm a YouTuber. I do travel vlogs based in Kenya, Africa, but soon I will be moving to another Africa countries when I monetize. How many watch hour do you need as of now? Okay, Jessie, thank you. Ask Menza, thank you. Sis Melly, thank you. Sis Life, thank you. So we have 7 million. I'm still younger at I'm still younger. I'm at 200. I see. But it's okay. Sooner or later, you can achieve by. Right now, it's what is the requirements watch hour? Is it still 5,000 watch hours? I forgot. Okay, guys, here is Asmensa's link. And if you have time, Asmensa, you do the first move. For 400 watch hour only? Oh, that's cool. So, maybe if 4,000 W watch hour. All the same. When I started YouTube, it's 4,000 watch hour or 5,000. I'm not so sure. But within 2 months or 3 months, I guess I achieved that watch hour. But every day, I did all my best to get that watch hour. As long as you know how to support, so everybody will support you. It's a give and take rules lang naman dito sa YT. That's I think that's the best rule here in inside YT world. Give and take, support each other. Sis, labas na ako, data lang kanina. Sige, thank you, te Jessie. Ingat kayo ni partner mo. Thank you so much for coming. Desk, Hong Kong. Uy. Bye to all. Happy weekend. Sige, thank you, Jessie. Thank you. Ingat kayo ni papi mo. And thank you sa 8 million na nandito. Des, yan ba ang ipe-play ko o yung Des Lorica? Ask Mensa, yes, true. I normally do live when free. I do. Yes, not true. I normally do live when free, mostly evening host. What time is it now in Kenya? Ask Mensa. Usually I play I do my live stream this time 10:30 here in Japan. Okay lang lagi ka naman nasa live ko. Hindi, iba pa rin yun, syempre. Iba pa yung sa live mo, iba pa rin yung ipe-play kita. Kaya alin dyan, yung yan or yung sino ba pinlay ko? Alam mo, nalilito ko sa inyong dalawa ni yung si LB Simpak at saka si Ma'am 3S Ma'am TV. Isa yun, di ba? It's 4:40 p.m. in afternoon. It's 4:44, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 hours difference. Not bad. Ask Mensa, are you already subscribed with my channel? Please do subscribe with my channel and don't forget to comment so I can follow you. Okay? Not here in chat room but in my own in my old video. Just leave any comment so I can follow you. I have so many friends from India, here in Japan, in Philippines. You can subscribe them. Ask Mensa. You have already blue jacket, so you can go to channel if you want to. Subukan natin sa Kenya, malay mo mataas ang WH sa kanila. Wala pa ako nagiging Maybe you will be my first friend from Kenya. Ask Mensa. I don't have any friend from Kenya. Yes, I connected to you. I will watch your videos and leave a comment. Thank you so much. And then I will go to your channel later. Ayan si Sis Medi Paglingayin. And ask Mensa, you go to Melis Paglingayin and Des HK. They are my friends here. We go to their to our live stream. We support each other every night, every day. Mataas kaya ang W at saka sa ano nila. So sometimes I will speak in Tagalog ask Mensa. What ask Mensa? I ask you Mensa. Ask Mensa. Good idea. Nice profile name. Hindi nag-live si Mais. Humabol sa concert ni Moira siguro. Nakikanta kay Moira, nakipag-duet kay Moira. Ask Mensa, no problem, I will cope with that. Okay. Thank you for 10 million people. Thank you, Sis Meli. Des, thank you. Sino po yun nandiyan? Si Slide. Si Tita Jessie nakalabas na kasi data lang daw gamit na kanina eh. Di kita nyo guys si Ask Mensa. Kasi na siya eh. Na ang kanyang bahay. Ang kulang na lang sa kanya is WH. Is it hot in Kenya right now? Ask Mensa. Can you tell us about your Tita Mels? Ano yan? Ha? Sis Meli, ano yung pakulay na yan, ha? Nagsweldo ka na, sabay ganun eh. Ano nga ba? Kailan nga ba ang sweldo dito? Kalimutan ko na. 31. Katapusan ba sweldo dito? Or 21 ba? Ano ba araw na sweldo dito? Thank you so much. 22. Ay, di nagsweldo ka na nga. Kasi hindi ko alam. Kasi yung nung nagsweldo ako, kasi iyon, tawag dito, naka-hold na pala yun ng ilang buwan, hindi ko alam. Kundi nag-message sa akin. Barbara, Kibami-san. Kibami-san. So. Kibami-san konbanwa. Okay, Ask Mensa, you can, here comes my friend from Japan. They are Japanese. If you would like to subscribe with them, you can subscribe with them. Now just click their name so you can add them. But don't forget to watch the video and subscribe and click the button. O sabay kami ni The Harshas. Halos lahat naman yata dito 22 ang sweldo, 'di ba? Sa YouTube. Kibami-san, arigato ne. Ako hindi ko alam. Natanggap ko yung sweldo ko pagkatapos kong mag-report ng aking tax info. Pinadala nila March 31 pinadala nila sa akin. Mga ganun petsa. Binerify lang muna daw nila yung aking yung aking tawag dito, yung ID ko. Pero hindi na ako nag-report sa Singapore, nag-direct na ako sa United States. Kasi baka mamaya kaltasan din ako doon sa Singapore. Tapos kaltasan pa din ako sa Amerika. May doble-doble na yun. Wala na akong, hindi na, baka every 3 years talaga maging sweldo ko. Thank you naman, Sis Medi. Kasi alam mo, Sis Medi, yung sinweldo ko, lang yun, konti lang yun, 8,000 yen. Naipamudmud ko na rin dito sa YT. Wala na, ubos na. Naipamudmud ko na. Sa na nagbalik loob ako sa YT. Oo, yung $100 na di ba yun ang minimum ni YT na kailangan nating maipon? 8,000 lang dito. So magkano lang yung sa pera natin, sa peso ko i-convert. Wala pang 3,000. Boom shakalaka. Gumene. Wait. Kibamisan gomenne. I will speak in English. As long as I can, I will speak in English because we have a new friend here, Ask Mensa, and we have some Whoops friend here, Highway Star. Thank you so much, Whoops. You support my LS until morning. No worries. Is it okay? Mine has did not make his live stream today. Maybe she is with the Harshas watching concert. Ask Mensa, you can subscribe them. Highway Star is from America, and Ask Mensa is from Kenya. I heard from the Harshas that you have live stream today. You had a live stream today, but not in that account, Highway Star. With your other account named Blue. Do you have another account? I heard that from the Harsha. Blue was live. Wolf. I think Blue doesn't like me because I'm not invited. I cannot search that account. I cannot search that channel. Why? Maybe he doesn't like me. Oh my God, I have over 20. New Terrace Garden. New Terrace, I'm so sorry. I will go to your go to your channel later. I saw your premium 30 minutes ago. But promise I will go to your channel later and I will watch that. Blue, yo, that's you. Yeah. Nice. I love dog. You know that. Wait, I can't go to your channel right now, Blue. But Miyamasa can go. Okay. I will subscribe to your channel first before I watch your video. Huh? Monero na. I'm talking with my husband. Really, I'm sorry, guys. Last night, I'm so tired last night. From Ask Mensa, Highway Stars, I'm connected to you long time. Visit me back. Whoops. Ask Mensa was connected to you for a long time. Please visit her. Visit. visit him back. It's a time thing. And you have 20 and all of that account has ads. I have very little whitey time. But is it okay with you? Are you in your work right now? Is it okay to chat with us? Ask Mensa, can you tell us about Kenya? I had no idea. But all I know was some wild animals that I saw in TV about the documentary program, and some account had no device. I heard that from you. It's it's from, you made it from Loop. Am I right? It's hot here, guys. Thank you so much for 5 million there. Harry Star does an amazing job. Been watching his videos. Yes. I like his video, especially about nature, because I'm a nature lover. My WH are good. Yes, you are. So just stop by and say hi, Delia. Okay. But I love to watch your videos, especially from your about nature. I love nature. That's why I love vegetable. It's from nature. I had 15K watch hours. Wow. From Des, ingat, whoops. Hi, Des. Haran. Hello, Ting. Bell. Hello, Ting. Ako, Diyos ko po, Mariosep. Ang galing mo palang kumanta, Ting. Nag-concert si Ting sa sa kanyang LS kanina. Nilayasan ko't ikot-ikot lang. Buti naggawa ulit siya ng panibago. O di bumalik ako. Ganda pa ng title niya, Relive. Ang init dito, guys. Pwede ba ako maghubad? Mega love, shout out to all from Ting Bells. Ayan, Ting Bells, dikitan mo we have a new friend here. Ask Mensa. Ayan, nandyan sa taas yung kanyang link. Ano yan? Tawag dito, dikitan mo yan, Ting. Para meron tayong hindi ayaw mo, wag. Madali akong kausap. Kenya is an amazing now that your nature person. Kenya is the best place to be. The game reserves, waterfalls, mountains, and forests will do you. I love to go. I like to go. Delia, I have to give to this every night. I have to give to this every night at 6 o'clock. Oh, you always have date with this every 6 o'clock. That's okay, no problem. And I will have you 10:30 p.m. here in Japan. Des, hindi ka ba nag-LS ngayon? Nagpunta ba ako sa LS mo ngayon o kaninang umaga yon? Wala na, ulianin na ako. Pasensya na kayo, guys. I had a live stream this afternoon, maybe around 5 o'clock here, only 1 hour. But nobody came. Only only 7, 10. And Ask Mensa will has a live every. Do you perform live every day, every afternoon? Ask Mensa. You know what? I want you to be with my LS every night as possible. I wish, I can enhance my English. I can practice my vocabulary. I almost forgot how to speak English. Don't speak English. I don't understand. Che! Mahimik ka. Kita mo, ate, nakakanda bulol-bulol na nga ako dito eh. Ayan, Harang from Aromas Vlog. Naman kita mo nakakanda. Huwag mong tatawanan yung English ko. Pag tinawanan mo yung English ko, I will not go to your channel, King Bells. Thumbs up po, host Aromas Vlog. Thank you so much, Aromas Vlog. Ayan, from Ting Bells, Des. 3 Moms TV to Vlog. Thank you. Yes, I will be attending your LS every night. Oh, thank you so much, Ask Mensa. That's so nice of you. Aromas Vlog, Ting Bells, MM. Mega love. Naku, hinihika ko. Excuse me, guys. Sorry guys, I need to take this gum because this is a very hot gum. So cool and hot, cool and spicy. I need this for my throat and for my nose. Only 1/2. I need only 1/2 of this to get nice breath, nice breathe. Not breath, nice breath. Aromas Vlog, ayan, meron tayong bagong friend dito. Nandyan sa taas yung link. Pakipuntahan nyo na lang. Don't insist on speaking English. Your nose will bleed. Ping pong. But it's okay. I want to learn more about my I want to learn more. That's a challenge. I need to prepare my tissue nosebleed again here on your LST. Ayun, magbisaya na lang tayo dito. Uy, hindi naman ako marunong magbisaya. I am Bisaya, half Chinese, half Spanish, half Filipino. But I don't know how to speak Bisaya. I only learn one word from mice. Ay, Aromas, bro, dikitan mo yung nasa taas. Ano na siya, ang bahay niya, ano na lang ang binubuno niya, watch hour na lang binubuno niya. Mali mo, mataas yung makuha nating watch hour pag dumali yan sa atin. Raise our, ulul, raise our language, bakit English yung nakaano sa'yo? Nabuking ka tuloy. Raise our language. Ambot ako. Oh, so ayan, nilayasan na tayo ni Kibami-san. Kibami-san cannot join with our chat because she cannot speak English, cannot speak only Nihongo. But if I talk with her in Nihongo, all of you cannot understand. Only me and Kibami-san. It's very hard. Sinong meron sa sa inyo diyan? May ikaw Des, wala kang premiere, wala kang upcoming Ikaw Ting, may may premiere ka? Aromas vlog, ikaw meron? Ibaba nyo na yung mga link ninyo diyan. Please drop your link. Pag nandito si Highway, tumataas yung aking viewers. Thank you. Nothing at the moment. Oh, kita mo na. Pati ikaw napilitang mag-English. Paduday ka pa dyan. Pero matanong kita, Tings, anong bansa yung, nasaan bansa ka ba? Ang ganda-ganda nung inyong pinag-iingisdaan doon. Nasa ibang bansa ba yon? Anong new upload lang. Pero, ano mo dyan? Video, ibaba mo dyan, malay mo, panoorin nung ating bagong kasama dyan. Ako, meron akong pinuntahang, kanino nga bang LS yun? May, kahit kay Trivlogs Unlimited, nagbaba ako dun ng hindi pa ako nagpe-premiere nun, hindi pa ako nag-LS, nagbaba ako sa kanya ng ang daming dumikit. Binaba ko yung link ko doon. From Ask Mensa, hi Ting Bells. Ayan, nagpapansin na sa'yo. Ayan, thank you sis Melly. Baba mo, Des. Alam mo, mas maganda rin yung marami din tayong marami din tayong friend from different country kasi iba yung WH na nare-receive natin every time we go to our friends in kumbaga tawag dito, international. Ayan, Ting, binaba mo? Sige, natin. It's summer's coming. It's too hot. Nang ibaba ko link mo, kung meron kang bagong upload dyan, baba mo din, malay mo. From Ask Mensa watching your video and connected Ting Bells. Ayan. Alam mo, sa pangalan mo lang ako nahihirapan talaga, Ting. Kasi parang napipilipit yung dila ko. Nagtitwist yung dila ko talaga. Salamat ng marami. You're always welcome. Alam nyo guys, yung naranasan nyo na ba yun na sa inside your LS, kumbaga trilingual, yung magsasalita ka ng Nihongo, magsasalita ka ng you speak Nihongo, you speak Tagalog and English. Ayun ang nangyayari sa LS ko noon. Palaging gano'n. Kaya nakakanda pilipit ang dila ko. You have an air conditioner. Yes, I have an aircon here. But it's too early to use aircon right now because it's still spring season and the weather changes every time. I use it every summer and every winter. That's an inverter. Every winter, I use this as my heater. And every summer, I use this as my air conditioner. Air condition. Aromas Black. Thank you, bro. Busog na yan. Nakakain na yan kanina eh. Ayan, magbaba. Tinitignan ko yung yung si Blue. Cute naman ng Blue. Remember, I'm Filipino, don't speak English. Remember, we are in international white tea. You must speak Filipino, Tagalog. And English too. And Nihongo too. And a little Spanish. ¿Cómo se llama Delia Tsurusaki? Buenas noches, amigos y amigas. Ayan. Thank you sa 20 million na nandyan. Thank you, Wooks. Thank you for your for your support. Unsay pasabot ato imong istorya. Ano ibig sabihin niyang gahatay ka? Hindi ko naintindihan yan. What did you say? Ting Bells, I don't understand that. I'm also Bisaya, but I cannot speak Bisaya. I only speak Tagalog. Che. Why does my mother doesn't teach me how to speak Bisaya? My mother, my brother and sister can speak Bisaya. Only me cannot speak. Let's see the onions. Oh, soon. You want to see my onion from farm to table? So sweet. Thumbs up dan. Kanino? Ting Bell kay Ask Mensa. Yes, all onions are different. We have we have how many varieties onions do we have? Green onion, yellow onion, white onion, shallot, red shallot. I don't remember all of them. But I have, I only have oase. I don't know in English. Badalia. What? I don't know Badalia. What is badal? Maybe I can Google that. Thank you. This is my black gum from my nose and throat. Next time I will give the Harshas this gum. We have the same allergy. I will send some. They will be there 6 months. 6 months. It will take 6 months before you harvest the onion, and also garlic. Garlic almost the same with onion. But tomato is also from seed. It will take 5 months from seed to the little one. What do they call that stuff? The one you transplant. 6 months on cargo shipment. That's rotten. The rotten onion, not the fresh onion. Oops, do you have any experience in farming or nothing? Nothing at all. About farming, do you know about farming? Or no experience? Family, I see. Family. Your sister, does she like farm, to gardening? Nawala na yata sa atin si andito pa. I'm not a gardener. So what is your hobby? But I should be. I'm still here. I'm not leaving. Oh, thank you, Tingles. We own a farm. Oh, wow, that's good. I rent a farm. We don't have farm. I rent a farm. I rented a farm. a mini farm. Enough space for my hobby. We own a farm. I see. I got that. I got it. But right now, harang, idol. Bakit nagharang ka pa? May harang? Oh. It's at the bottom of a left. I see. But I love that lake. I saw your video today. That lake, it's like a mirror. Not that lake. Yeah. Are you messing with me? Oops. Aramas Black, thank you so much, bro. Tingbert Monica na, Che, may mo lang nalaman, matagal na panahon pa ni Kopong-Kopong akong mone. May harang. Matagal na po akong mone, Tingbert. 4 years ago, I've already had ads. They built a lake for a nuclear power plant where the farm. I see. Bakit nagtaka ka sinabi ko may harang? Kasi pagka sa vertical ako nagtawag dito, nag-ELS, sa umpisa lang may harang. Pag dito sa computer, minsan hindi ko nalalagyan o kaya minsan automatic si YT ang nagbibigay ng harang during LS. Ang alam ko meron lang sa unahan. Kaya nung sinabi mong may harang, binigyan ako ni YT ng harang. Ang cute naman ni YT. Hindi naman ako after doon sa harang na. Ang habol ko is to have more WH because I stopped for 3 years, so I need more WH. Like you. I need like Ask Mensa and you Ting Bells. I need more WH. Hinihika na naman ako. Excuse me, guys. Nagdugay tayo. Nasaan yung panyo kong hawak? Wala. Kanina may hawak lang panyo eh. 3 Moms TV, thank you sis. Kailangan ko talaga bago lang ako dito sa YT. Oo naman. Kaya kailangan talaga kumbaga mag-ano ka lang, random video. Mag-random video ka lang and random LS ka lang. Makukuha mo yung WH. Si Ask Mensa nag-ano din daw siya, nag-LS siya everyday. Sis Melly, thank you. Kumusta na yung siomai mo dyan? Right now, Sister Mel is making some siomai. Dito lang si still and balot lang siomai. Oh, okay lang. Okay, thank you Sis Melly. Thank you sis for staying with me. Ting Bells. Melly paglingayin. Ayan. Heart. They built a lake for a nuclear power. So you have, that's a huge farm. Enough to build a nuclear power plant. Gabi ako si Idol. Okay, Ting Bells. Gabi. Pero minsan hindi ko matiyempoan ng mo. Tapos minsan pag pinupuntahan ko, naman, poor signal siya. So anong oras ngayon dyan sa Ting Bells? From this, thank you, Des. Thank you din. Thank you, Mom TV. Wala kayong kaganapan dyan na next na kaganapan. 5:25 pa dito hapon. Saan ka? Ang liwanag pa dyan dito. Anong oras na? Mag-11:30 na dito. Oh, Nakakaisang oras na pala ako nagyayaw-yaw dito. Anong ginagawa mo ba? Ano, buti alam mo, hindi ka nakaka-copyright pag kumakanta ka sa LS mo team. Jeddah. So you are now in Jeddah. Di ang init dyan. Mainit din. Parang Pilipinas din ngayon. Ano dyan ngayon? Anong temperature ngayon dyan sa Jeddah? Sa atin, nagpo-44 daw eh. Dito, sa loob ng room ko, 28 degrees Celsius. And sa labas, 16 degrees Celsius. O, diba? Iba ang lamig sa labas. Ewan ko, baka may CPR na. Malalaman mo naman yung kinabukasan. Hindi mo agad malalaman yung nung second LS ko na kumanta ko, may CPR siya, pero hindi naman hindi naman siya strike. 30 dito temperature. O okay din lang kung 30, matitiis-tiis mo pa yung kahit lumabas ka. Pero dahil beach yan, di ba? Beach, ocean, ganon. Medyo mainit din yung singaw kahit pa paano. Ako dito, Diyos ko, ewan ko na lang. Kaya nga hindi ako umuwi ng Pilipinas eh. Sabi ng pamangkin ko, tita, huwag ka umuwi, napakainit dito. Huwag kang uuwi ng Pilipinas, napakainit. Baka mag-collapse ka sa baka mag-collapse ka. Yeah, thank you, 15 million. Thank you so much. Binata ka pa, Ting? O binat na? O ilan asawa mo? Sabay, ganun yung mga tanong eh, no? Ang brutal ng mga tanong. Ayan, si Des, thank you. Thank you sa 16 people dyan. Thank you so much. Imagine after 3 years na hindi ko ginagamit tong camera sa computer ko, gumagana pa rin siya. Tibay matatalag na si Papi. Timbals. Sagot, dali. Ikaw ngayon ang i-interviewin ko. Sagot. Can you answer me? Are you married? Where is Alasumba? Who? Mais? She doesn't have an LS today. I've been waiting for her LS 2 hours ago. Maybe she's with some friends. Delayed celebration for her birthday. Maybe it's Saturday night. It means in Philippines, Saturday night is enjoy night. Shinkuma and Kibami Sandelias, and good evening everyone. Thank you everyone. Konbanwa. Konbanwa yokoso. Shinkuma-san, arigato. Itsumo arigato. Insekureda. Ayan na tayo. Trilingual na tayo dito, guys. She attend concert too. No, she will do a duet with with Moira. One of the famous Philippine singer. She have a number with Moira. Shinkoma-san, kochira koso itsumo arigatou gozaimasu. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ask Mensa, you see, I have to speak in Nihongo, English, Tagalog. This is always watching me. Yes, she is. Ask Mensa, heart, heart, heart. Ang init na. It's getting hot here in Japan. My God. Kibami Shinkuma and Kibami channel. Peace. Shout out Yataki Shikari Derecho. Baliw ka. Ay, dikitan mo yan, Ting, si Shinkuma. Alam mo kung bakit? Mataas ang W at pag galing Japan. Kaya tignan mo yung mga taga-India, gusto nilang yung mga taga-Japan na marami silang kadikitan. Kasi mataas ang WH from Japan, Canada, and America. No one answer your asking Wolf so that I answer believe. I already answered that. Mice is in. What I miss? I don't know. I think you miss mice. I also miss her because last night and tonight, ang init talaga dito, guys. Sana pala nagsando na lang ako. Oh, yes. Ha, 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 ha. Sabi ni Wolf's Desk, nag-aano ka daw palagi sa palagi ka daw, nasa niya, sa channel niya. My God, ano ba yan? Sure. Ikaw, babuti ka, Des, magaling ka na mag-English. Anong usapan ninyo ng na boss mo? English or Mandarin? From Shinkumasang, Ting Bells, hi, hello, thanks, sabi ni Shinkuma. Ayan, tingnan mo. Ano din naman sila? Kumbaga, nagtatry din naman sila makipag-communicate. Although hindi sila marunong mag-Tagalog, mag-English, nagtatry naman yung mag-asawa na makipag-communicate sa atin. So, guys, be generous, be polite. Di pa ako makadikit idol, may nagbigay banana sa akin. Sino nagbigay sa'yo ng banana? Paano nagbigay ng banana? What do you mean you receive banana? Paano? Binigyan ka? Ano gagawin ko, Des? Jesus Maria Joseph. Ay, kausapin mo na lang yung dalawa dyan, yan. Yung nasa ibaba mo. Tsaka yung tapos, Shinkumasang, ayan, banana. Sekreto para Bibo. Sekreto pa. Hindi, pwede naman yun, kahit hindi mo siya balikan ngayon, kung may nagbigay sa'yo ng banana, okay lang yun. Tapos, kasi hindi mo naman sila dinikitan, binigyan ka ng banana. So, pwede kang dumikit. Pero, yung binigay sa yung banana, hindi mo pwedeng balikan agad yun. English man sila, tagal ko na, di pa ako marunong mag-Cantonese. Cantonese not Mandarin ang usapan nila. I see. Hmm. Ayan, this. O di, at least nakakapag ano ka, napapractice mo yung English mo. Ay ako dito, never ako nagkaroon ng chance na magsalita sa English. Kaya mushi state atsu desu ne. Atsuya, mite. Sa atsuy wa. Siguro, maybe if I will go, let's say, I will stay in America, maybe 3 months I can speak more in English. Because here in Japan, it took me 3 months before I can communicate with some Japanese. Video mo na ako, idol, ha? Saglit lang. Hindi pwede. Ayaw. Aromas Vlog, bro, thank you so much for staying with me. Sabi ni Ting, Des, ano yung swaya-swaya? Ano ibig sabihin ng swaya-swaya? Ano yung moshi-moshi? Moshi-moshi, not mushi-mushi, mush-mush. Muset. Mga loko kayo, baka mamay ginugugil kayo dyan. Kyo, mushi-mushi shite ite atsui. Ay, ibig sabihin ng mushi-mushi at shite atsui, ibig yan sabihin, kumbaga yung ano dito, yung weather dito, dry yung dry yung nila, hot weather nila. Mapakialam, Arabic Ting. Ang tawag mo. Ako alam na alam ni Ting, kahit na yung aking yung miyamasa ko. Hindi niya alam yung miyamasa ko. Isa lang sinabi ko, Ting, girl! Oh, naka-blue jacket agad. Sumayaw ko daw, ako? Sasayaw. Kanta na lang ako. Sasayaw ako. Pagka may pumayat na uli ako. Dati, I'm a dancer with license. 3 decades ago. With license yun, guys. 3 decades ago. But now I don't know if I can dance. Arigato lang alam ko. Okay na yun. Basta pag may sinabi sa'yo, kahit di mo naintindihan mo, arigato. Nakakamiss nga mag-Zumba. Buti pa si Dahar siya nagsa-Zumba yun. Nagsa-Zumba ako dito sa bahay. Paminsan-minsan. Sayaw-sayaw daw sa anong sayaw? I can buy with some flowers. Ganyan-ganyan na lang yung balikat. Ganyan-ganyan na lang ng balikat ngayon. Write my name in the sand. Ganon. Inuuto mo ako, Ting, ha? Alam nila yung kantang yan, Ting. Moshi moshi anane, 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 moshi moshi anane, Philippine Jing kawaii. Oo, di ba? Sabi ko, ang gaganda ng mga Pilipino. So di ba mukashi kara hayatotta omise no naka de. Ang init talaga. Thank you, thank you. 15 million, 16 million. Whoops, thank you. Ang init. How I wish I can use my aircon now. Ang cute. Ay, thank you. Ako, sabay ganun. Ang init talaga. Diyos ko, pwede na bang maghubad? Natutunan yung mga taba-taba ko sa inyo. Gusto ko na mag-yaws eh. Last 10 minutes, guys. Thank you, thank you. Please stay with me for more 10 minutes. Thank you, 16 million people dyan. Hello, Mas Bro. Thank you. Des. Ting. Ting. Alam mo, hindi na kita makakalimutan. As in live talaga ba ngayon? kulay na pansin. Ano? Kasi nga, ilang araw na akong silent live, di ba? Silent LS ako last 2 days ago, tapos kahapon, kagabi, din ako, silent LS din ako. Kaya, ang title ng ko ngayon, live, as in live. O, diba? Para alam na nandito ako. Ganun lang yun. Ang init. Ewan ko kung matitiis ko ang init sa atin sa Pilipinas, guys. Pero, susubukan ko mag-long vacation sa Philippines. Pero pag hindi ko kinaya yung summer, ay, balik-balik ako dito. Ting! Gel! Alam niya, yan na ang password namin ni Ting. Pag pumunta ako sa LS niya, alam na niya kung sino yun. Yan ang password namin. Aksidente nakagawa kami ng password. Nang dahil sa kalabuan ng mata ko. Init. From this, kailan vacation mo, te? Siguro baka, kasi itong May, marami kaming aasikasuhin sa anak ko. Tapos, depende sa magiging resulta ng check-up ni Papi. May check-up siya tong May sa ospital eh. And then, maybe June, ganon. June. Mainit pa ba sa atin ng June? Mainit pa yun, ano? Maybe June or July, mag-stay kami sa Pilipinas. Mga, at least 2 months. Wala dito yung isa kasama mo, yung tawa-tawa dati. Si Mais? Wala na, wala siya ngayon. Hindi nga siya nag-LS ngayon eh. Wala si Mais. Tsaka si si tawa-tawa, si Mais. Hindi ka ba nakakapunta sa LS? Ang galing kumanta noon. Puntahan mo, Ting. Ito yung 7:30. Ang LS ni Mais is 7:30 or 8, ganyan. Si Mais yung Ting, wala nga siya ngayon, hindi nag-live. Yun nga, every 7:30 or 8, gano'n, between 7:30 and 8 ang mag-LS yon. Tapos, ang palagi niya doon kanta, ang galing kumanta noon. Tag-ulan ng July. Pwede rin ng tag-ulan, kaya lang baka naman matamaan ng here lang kinig. Thank you, Ma'ams TV. Thank you. Ano ba yun? Ayan, sige. Pagbibigyan ko kayo ng isang kanta, guys. Last na to. Last lang, one song only. Because baka tayo makapiright na naman. I-open ko lang yung aking Ewan ko kung pwede pa to. Hindi ko yata na-charge to. One song lang para naman. Mais Vlog. Search mo. Mais Vlog. Tatlo. Makikita mo yung nakakulay dilaw siya, yung profile picture niya. Hindi mo pa ba dikit si Mais? Ting? Paano ba to? Wala sa bondok.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
Para kung magkaroon man ikakat ko na lang to pagka yung kinabukasan para hindi ako makapiright. Anong gusto niyong kantahin ko? My